when the world needs more reliable solutions. We choose vacuum-insulated glass to unlock new possibilities for sustainable, livable buildings. For 2 decades, LandGlass has been dedicated to exploring the relationship between glass and the way people live. LandVac Titanium VIG. See the future. Flexible metal sealing enables long-term vacuum stability. Titanium pillars form a flawless micromatrix, where high vacuum sealing replaces traditional methods. Engineered with sheer strength and resilience, it safeguards enduring excellence and exceptional longevity. In every subtle detail, comfort comes alive. A clearer view, a more constant indoor climate. A quieter space. And a lower energy consumption. This is the answer offered by the glass of the future. At LandGlass, R&D is our relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow. From advanced materials to cross-industry applications, from equipment manufacturing to smart factories, every step we take answers the same question. What role should the glass of tomorrow play in shaping human life? In architecture, photovoltaics, appliances, and vehicles, LandVac Titanium VIG delivers comprehensive solutions to over 1,200 projects worldwide. With over 36,000 tons of CO2 emissions reduced, equivalent to 2 million trees planted, we are helping healing the planet, sustaining our shared future. LandVac Titanium VIG is a rock-solid commitment because what we protect is not just a green planet, it's you. LandVac Titanium VIG, beyond glass, built to protect.